So you have, I know you know about this table. This is very interesting table if you remember. So when we're creating the table, so we tell them that this is like character value, this is the integer value, this is that one, and sometimes we put the size as well. And the range is because sometimes if it is age, so age cannot be like 200 or 300 here. So or the salary, for example, is 5-digit salary. So you have to specify that this is like size is 25 here, character 18, and the value of, like for example, gender, male and female. You can put like the format for the date is specified as well. So some people write day before, and then month, and then year, and some 7 digits like salaries. For example, this is 7-digit salary. This is the range. So salary cannot be more than 6,000, less than 6,000, and cannot be more than 40,000 according to your organization in which you are working. So it depends on the organization. So you have to give this domain
Doctor,
information. Yes.
I think the attribute is a primary key there, and the main name is a foreign key, right?
Attribute is a field name, is a field name basically. So you can keep this as a primary key, depends, okay, which should be unique, and there are two important things for a primary key. It should be unique
and not repeat.
Not repeated. Very good. Yeah. So this is very good. Like we are recalling the things over there. Okay. So so attribute is a field name basically. So how many fields name we have it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 field names in this table. Sometimes we call relation. Yes.
Can you please repeat the domain name and the domain definition?
Yeah. So for example, for street, okay. So when I say attribute street column, okay. So domain name, yeah. So domain name we put that. So it's street mean the street name, okay. So this is a set of all street names in Britain, or let's suppose make a street name in Saudi Arabia, okay. Or we say city. So city means city names basically. So we are like defining it. So the name of domain name is city names, and the size we put it like for example 15. So usually in 15 digits, in 15 character, city names are there. For example, Riyadh. So one Riyadh is how many character? RIYADH. Okay, so 6 characters. So easily, so in 15 characters, I can easily, Riyadh can come, Jeddah, Tabuk. So all this can come in 15 characters.
Okay, so the domain name, I can put anything I want, right?
Yeah. So usually we see the economy of scale. Like we need to save the space over there.
Yeah,
so
save the data storage.
It's the data storage, because it will reserve 15 character for that in the memory. So in that memory you cannot store other things over there. So when you reserve it, so it's better to reserve economically, not like you can put 20 as well, you can put 30, even you can put 100.
But we want to make it more efficient.
Efficiently,
yes.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
For example, for the gender, so it is one character is enough, M or F, right? So we can easily accommodate in that one. Okay, so salary. So for the salaries, we see that in organization, the maximum salary is 7 digits over there. So it's not more than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 digits totally over there. So maximum is, minimum is 7, and maximum is also. I think minimum is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minimum, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so it is maximum 7 digits over there. So if you put like more than one more zero, it will not accept that one, because it is according to the business rules of your organization, that where maximum the database can accept 7 digits only. So even by mistake, it cannot accept the 8 one. So it is this is called like client side check over there on your forms over there. Sometimes forms, when you're filling a forms, it gives you error. You cannot put this age or this digits over there, or sometimes you are being prompted to put like alphanumeric password over there. So these are checkers basically.